a lovely day being a rat. A helper rat.
Hi.
Hi. Ooh, are these cooked?
Yes.
They're cooked?
Yes.
Are there any fries on the menu? You guys, they want fries.
Wait. Sour cream.
The people want fries.
Oh, what's up, Dill Pickle? Dill
The
Pickle's
people
here.
want fries.
Dill Pickle's here, guys.
The people want fries.
Oh.
Can I dust it out?
He won't, hopefully. He won't, hopefully.
I'm gonna just go in this oven. It's nice. Toasty. Okay, too toasty. Too toasty.
I messed up on my burger. Doesn't matter.
Wait, what?
What
Wait,
kind of burger
wait.
is this?
Okay, so I have a new rule. Snap, snap. I think we should just cook random stuff. I don't think we should have jobs. Because look at this. I can't do all this order by myself because I'm the burger person. I can't do all of this.
Yeah.
Ooh, $10.
Random orders.
I'm making burgers too.
Somebody wants fries. I'll go get the fries.
Hey. No, that's not.
What's the dog doing?
What the dog? What are you saying?
Can somebody open this? I need help.
What?
I need somebody to open
Fries
this
are
fridge.
done. Fries are here.
Oh.
They all of them say slightly fried when I just put them in. Yeah. Sorry.
I'm making this burger right here. No one touch.
Nobody better pick me up. You better tell Dill Pickle not to
I'm
pick
gonna
me
pick
up.
you up.
I'll make your life a living nightmare.
No.
Actually, don't throw me in the trash. If you pick me up and pet me, I will be angry, but I will not ruin your life. Do it again. I'll be really angry.
Oh God, Dill Pickle's
Dill Pickle, put me down.
No, Dill Pickle's trying to sell raw fries. He just sold raw fries.
Dill Pickle.
Oh no.
I'm making your life a living nightmare. Thanks to him.
Don't.
Actually, just his life a living nightmare.
How?
Just his.
Just take
With
his.
every burger he makes, I'll take it.
Yeah, I'm not kidding.
Dad,
Put
my
me
game is
down.
glitched. I need to leave and rejoin.
Okay. This meat.
Dill Pickle isn't a Pringle.
He's not. Oh, but no one can see his Pringle skin.
Nobody can see any of our Pringle skin.
Wait, hey, little helper, could
Yes?
you order meat and cheese, please? If you can.
Yes, I think I can.
No,
I can't. I'm useless.
Fries.
No, it's okay. Thanks for trying. Stupid. I'm kidding. You I'm kidding. No.
I'm
Oh,
back.
if I better not go out there.
I'm your
saw
pet
a
original. I'm your pet.
Cat. Okay. Don't you just love?
Patrick is fried fries.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna pick you up. Hey, I wanna pick you up.
Okay.
Oh, wait, not that. Oops. Hi. So you know how you're my pet and I love you?
Yes.
But you know who else loves you?
What?
Barbecue.
Oh no, I hate her. Get me away.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, buddy. Buddy. So much for keeping the
Kitchen. Can I have some of that cheese? I'm just gonna take some.
Just
Hey.
Buddy.
Oh, hi.
Can I get
Hi.
to working on burgers?
I don't like you, woman. I hate you.
Can I pet you, Cheddar?
No.
Hey,
You threw me in the trash last time.
she's friendly. She's
friendly. I don't believe that for a second. But fine. She can pick me up for a second.
All
Because I have a daily doo-doo to get done.
Come here, I'm gonna go take you on a ride. Wait, do you have to go poop?
I have a daily doo-doo to get done, and her head is my target. What?
I'm gonna show you something.
Is it the trash?
No, she's gonna show you the cat, I think.
No, I'm not. I promise I'll save you. I'll lift you up in the air so the cats can't get you. It took our cheese.
I took your cheese. Just kidding. I took random cheese from the ground.
Rat.
Don't hurt my rat, or I'll hurt you.
Yes.
I'll cook you for dinner.
What is this? Where are you
It
taking
took
me?
our cheese.
Where are you taking me? I didn't take your cheese. I was kidding. I took random cheese, moldy cheese from the ground.
You go in the garbage.
I have no idea what's going on.
Oh, it's a beach.
It's a beach?
Huh?
Why am I here? Are you taking me on a boat?
Yeah, but
Huh?
not a death.
What the? Huh? Uh-oh.
What
She's gonna put me in a truck.
Don't.
I like the sound of that. Rats never got to drive before.
Cheddar, just electrocute her. Just electrocute her.
But she's letting me drive a car. It's my dream to drive a car.
Get in.
Are
you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes.
You
Wait.
might become my favorite.
What?
Oh, you left me here.
Why would you buy her? Get in. Jump on the roof.
Yeah, I'm too fat.
Really? She just.
I ate too much cheese.
Here. Have it. No, that's. Oh wait, please
Okay.
say you ordered mustard on it. Yes.
Okay, I'll just follow you.
Oh, I got $6. Money.
Hey, you could get on the thing on the front.
It doesn't work.
Well.
Just try and step on it.
Guys, you really have to be focusing on the legit.
Sorry, I have to go to my father. I have to go
That's
to my
when
owner.
I'm the only person cooking right here. Look at all these orders. I can't do it by myself.
Owner!
Who's the owner?
You.
Oh.
I'm calling for you.
Hello there.
Owner!
Tomatoes.
Hi. These fries look very delicious.
Not for you, I'm sorry. I'll get to feed you though. I will. What do you want? Oh, fries, okay.
Tomatoes.
Do you want ketchup or mustard on it?
I want ketchup.
Okay.
Like these fries.
Look at this. We have
One
tomatoes.
sec.
You guys have tomatoes?
Tomatoes?
Oh, one of them have tomatoes on it.
Here, you're our tester. Taste tester.
Drop it on the ground.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
On the counter.
Tastes like...
Is it good?
Did you make it?
I got it at the store.
Tastes like tomatoes.
Tomato sauce.
And I can also
Okay,
taste some Rabio. I like it.
Okay, someone wants a special burger. It needs to have tomatoes on it. It needs to look
It should be an
fantastic.
all tomato burger.
Leaving it. I'm on it. I'm on it. I was on the boat and it started leaving.
Oh,
Okay.
where's Barbecue? The one who tried to let me drive in her car.
How is barbecue favorite? Who fed you? Who gave you water and she just put
Who
you on a
keeps
boat
making
ride?
overcooked patties?
That I actually don't know.
It's not me. Daddy
Hey,
can't do
guys,
it.
Hey,
I'm
Ratty.
What?
So, I'm kidding. Here's your food. Oh, I forgot ketchup.
I'm actually doing a job. I need to get boxes and bring it back
You guys are
to
really
the
bad.
restaurant.
My rat
Hey,
friends are
my
coming.
game-
Rat. Hey, Rat.
1 second. My rat friends are coming.
Hey, no, they are not coming.
Yes, they are.
Rat. Hey, do you want food or not?
I do want food.
Then care. No, Cheddar, don't start stealing stuff.
No, I'm trying to put stuff on the grill for you. I'm stuck under here.
Oh, oof. And now I can't give you your food.
What? Give me my food. Please, help me. Daddy must die then.
No, Ratty.
Ratty must die.
No.
Say goodbye to Ratty.
Not for long, though. Ratty better come back alive.
Ratty's dead forever. Just kidding, Ratty's back.
Yeah! He must be so hungry.
I'm back from the dead, and I want to see Barbecue,
What?
so she could give me some barbecue chips.
Hey.
Oh.
What would you say?
Food.
Hey, no, I'm not feeding you. I'm gonna feed myself. I'm kidding. Hey, I'm kidding. There. It has ketchup on it.
Use
It's
the
just
taste
on the
tester.
back. It has. See.
Looks like blood.
Oh yeah, I cut one of your friends right open.
Let me out! This dude's a psychopath!
I chopped their head out, and the tomatoes are made out of guts. Oh, looks like. Hey, get back here. Hey, this one of your friends?
No, I hate him. His name's Gerald, and he
Okay.
tastes better.
He's
than
gonna
me.
become a fry.
Yes, make him a fry.
Cook.
I'm burning! I'm burning! You know what? I've always been bored of my yellow color. I think I should die for the second time.
You're slightly fried.
Are you gonna help me or something? I'm on fire!
Hey! Oh my God! Let's stop it now. Dude, how do I put it out?
You have to find the fire extinguisher!
Where's the fire extinguisher? Is there actually a fire extinguisher?
Yeah, by the French fries.
Yeah,
And over
there's
here.
a-
And
there's-
over here. You're spraying yourself, sir.
Don't worry, I got you.
Right?
Hey, hold still.
Wait, I know what to do. I
No,
can go
hold
in the oven
still.
again.
Hold still. Hold still.
I'm a little burnt.
Just a little bit. Hold still.
You're aiming at the wrong area. There we go. Oh, I'm being pushed to the wall.
Does it burn?
Okay, you're okay. Wow,
Guys,
you look
we're out of lettuce. We're out of lettuce.
better.
People love lettuce.
I'm back.
God.
Did you miss me?
Here, you're gonna freeze for a little.
To be
I'm
honest,
gonna
this
freeze
video
myself.
felt like legit like 10 hours.
Yeah. Help me out! I'm stuck in the fridge.
Hey, rat buddy, I kind of want to join you as a rat, kind of.
You actually knock it out?
Hey, you like your yellow color? Hi, I'm not gonna hurt
The
you. I'm
lettuce.
giving you a rat. Woo!
I'm trying to help you by dropping this on the
Guys, the
stove.
croissant cracked open.
Hey, why don't you like your rat?
Barbecue. It's been open.
Psych. Sacrifice. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Are you hungry?
Yes,
Really?
I'm always hungry.
I
This
just
is our finest. Guys,
Actually-
the Pringles specialty.
No, you're kind of greedy. Like
I'm trying to.
no,
Pringles
like
specialty.
you always cry when I do a joke. So I think it's time for nappies.
Don't you dare put me for nappies. No!
Nappies.
No!
Nappies. Sorry, it's time for nappies. Fall asleep.
You.
Okay.
$1. That's not the price of the Pringles pet
2
specialty.
million
The
years
specialty is
later.
$10.
She must be starving.
Surprise, motherfucker!
In person.
Oh, you burned
Hi. Oh yeah. Hey, this is one of your friends. Like,
That's Gerald, remember? I hate him.
you don't.
Can somebody please take me on a boat ride?
No, I think you should eat them first.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, Barbecue, my favorite's gonna take me on a boat ride.
Wait, what? She did.
You're a bully to me.
What? Who
If I
feeds
come
you?
to the forklift area, I'll carry you. Let's go.
Oh, thank you.
I was.
Thank you, sour cream. Oh, we're all going on a boat ride now?
Yes. Cha 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 cha.
I'm happy to ride.
Ride. Hurry. Here.
Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye,
What do you mean?
other Dad.
I'm here.
Goodbye, Dad.
Start
Goodbye, other
driving.
Dad. I
Dad.
always wanted to drive.
Here. Yep. I'll watch you.
Can you stop staring at me?
No.
I get a little
You
shy.
can't reach. You
No, I'm
can't
there
reach. You
yet.
can't reach.
I get shy when you
See,
stare at me.
see, look, you're reaching.
Actually, I want to see the ocean. Put me down. I want
When's it gonna leave?
No.
It's gonna leave when someone gets a forklift and
There's the
drives
ocean.
onto
How do you
the
like
boat.
it?
Clean the kitchen?
Yes.
We're gonna have. You guys are getting a spring cleaning, so we're going on a vacation.
Hey, how do you? Hi. How do
Never
you
drive.
like afros?
Never left me. If you leave without me,
Yeah.
Please let me go.
You killed me.
I see.
hurry
the
up and
light.
come back. You don't have that much longer.
I don't know where it is.
You don't?
No.
Hurry! Get off the
I
boat.
How'd
don't
you get
know what-
here?
Because
Go
I
get him.
followed you.
Yeah,
No, I know. I
get
figured
it.
out how to get there.
Hasta la vista. Go behind the store.
Do you see us?
Hold
Ew,
me,
it's-
Jill.
I don't know how to
I
ride
think it's
that.
time for me to learn how to swim.
No.
Commit suicide.
No.
Oh,
No,
that's a really
don't
bad
do
word,
it.
guys. Please
Don't do
don't
it.
do any of that.
Ready?
No. Hey. What about your favorite? What about your favorite? Huh?
You're a bully. I don't like you anymore.
Hurry! Come back! It's Liz! You're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. That's the wrong way.
Who's gonna get the forklift? I don't know how to drive them.
I'll
It's up
drive.
to you.
I'll drive.
Original, you have to get the forklift into this box.
I don't like you, barbecue, anymore. My favorite's sour cream.
What? I did nothing for you.
You
I
never
didn't
put
knock
me
you
down.
off.
You tried to put
I
me
didn't
off,
knock you off.
and then I fell off.
Who feeds you? They never feed you.
I didn't.
True, but he let me drive.
No, yeah, so I'll let you drive.
It's
not the ocean.
Here,
The
no,
bits
no,
again?
no, let's just look at the ocean.
It's up there on the boat. She actually fell down.
Isn't it so
Let's
good?
take a look at the boat. Oh, wow. It's
Everybody.
No,
Owner, I have something to confess to you.
what?
I felt it since I first met you.
What?
It's that you're pretty ugly.
Alright, that's it, buddy.
Oh.
No.
No! No!
That's it.
Sorry.
Sagram, fun.
Uh,
Sagram.
Thank you. I love you so much.
What?
I love you. I love you, sour cream.
Stop playing favorites, or soon I will kill
You're my
you.
favorite sour cream. You saved me from death.
Okay.
Everybody get on the boat. It's raining down.
I'm giving you a
Let it
ride.
go.
I'm giving you a. Stop killing me.
You attempted to murder me. I hate you now.
Stop.
I'm scared.
It's really getting annoying. I have to keep running back.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Stop
you, barbecue.
killing
Barbecue.
me.
Ow, 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 ow. Thank you, barbecue. But
You stink.
my owner abuses me.
Here.
Rude.
Get a forklift. I want to show you a better view.
Oh, thank you.
That's your seat.
And I can't
My
even
seat.
die.
Yes, you can watch.
Somebody get the forklift. Yeah, it doesn't let me. Original.
Sorry, you took away my pet, so I'm not doing crap.
I didn't take the rat.
She just
Okay.
gave you a rat.
Come on, we're gonna go drive. I'm spinning you around.
Barbecue, yay! My owner
Okay.
is my favorite owner.
You ready to drive?
What? What? Owner!
Yeah, now she's
Yeah,
your
it's
favorite.
practical
Now
stuff.
she's your favorite.
You should have let me drive.
You'll see, it's on this side. It's not. Whoa.
Rat's stuck under the cars.
Oh! Here, ready? Get up.
I can't.
How do I start this boat?
You can't. Somebody has to drive.
I told you.
Ah, you're crushing me. I'm dying for the
Okay.
fifth time.
I can't really get you.
How do I start this?
Somebody has me. Well, not anymore.
You need to get the forklift.
What's the board?
Right over here.
I'm
Drive this one so you get your rat friend out.
I can't drive it.
You need to look at the wheel. Click on it. It'll be on the side. The side. Next to you. Next to you. Barbecue side. Barbecue. Look at barbecue. You'll see a little wheel. Go on. Drive. There's a drive button on the side. Wait, lift that up.
I'm free.
Yeah, you're welcome. Guess who saved you?
My favorite owner saved me.
Okay, now get it under there.
Thank you.
Get up. No, under there. Under
Under-
these boxes.
Both of them?
Yeah. No, just one. So? Right here. Lift it down. Lift it down. Drive forward. We must end this video on a boat ride.
Oh, it kicked me off. No. My dream.
Guys, the logs broke.
Well, guys,
That's it. I had enough. Ah, put me down.
Guys, wait, guys.
I had enough.
Follow me. Pikachu, follow me.
guys, I think it might be time to end this video.
I love being
No,
favored.
one more thing. Everybody follow me.
I'm going really slow.
Ride.
You are going.
Ride on.
Yep, you're almost there. You're almost there. Just
You'll see.
I could do it.
I can get there faster.
Okay. Don't do that. Pikachu, over here. Cheese block.
Cheese.
Here, let me carry you. Let me carry you. Let me carry you.
Cheese. No good. Cheese.
Guys, everybody follow me. Get on the road. Let's go.
Oh.
I can't really grab
Ratty
you.
can't climb.
No. Cheese.
Ratty's climbing.
Oh, she can climb from the back. Oh, wait, there we go. Everybody come down.
I didn't want to walk. I just wanted to walk. I just wanted to drive.
Come down. Which one? Come down the ladder.
What
ladder?
This ladder.
Here, there's no ladder. Oh, wait.
I don't see cheese.
I can't move my camera.
Well, that's the end of the video, guys. If you want to see me more of me being a rat
I
and
answered my
being
face
favored by many, like, subscribe, and hit the bell
Everyone meet back at
notification
the burger
for
shop.
more. Don't forget
Everyone
to
meet
comment
back at
down
the
when
burger
you're
shop.
done.
Yeah, you have to say like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss another video, and comment down when you're done, and we will give you a shout out.
But
Bye.
none of you seem to listen, so we need to have a quick conversation.
And comment down your favorite Pringle. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.